Alright guys, it's pissing out. Ruined my day of running. I got a few seconds of LC gone. You guys might have seen that, but figured I'd do a walk around on the track, show you guys what we're doing, and talk about things and see where we're going, kind of like an update video. So you see we started doing some gardening there. We'll continue to last along there and make it nice. And did a primer coat on our new wall that you might not have seen yet. So, and we made some hop-up jumps, which are pretty freaking awesome. So you come in this corner, and we loosened all the soil up, and we got a nice hop up here now. And see that there? We got to get some sand coming soon. We're gonna plant some hostas and maybe some tomatoes here because it gets pretty good sun there. This side's dirt, other side is like, so my thought with this is we got to get 2 pieces of grass and that's it. So the rework has saved me 2 pieces of grass. I'll need one there and one going sideways like that. And we'll leave the outside dirt. But this whole inside is a little different. Put a little half hop here. Works good one way, not the other, so we might have to change that. We took out that board that we kept hitting, made it into more ramp style. Just did it pretty simple. This is a hardwood, this is a Lexan, so it is what it is. But you see our walls there. This is what I want to talk about. So you see a lot of wall space here. Any of you guys that have any banners that you want to put, I need them. So I'm going to leave this piece open here, but we're going to probably continue that on there. Sponsors, channels, it don't have to be RC either, man. I do games, whatever, you know, but I need some background coolness. So any of you guys that got that kind of coolness, please give me a ring or check my email on my channel page and figure something out. So I took the jump out of here coming through, figured with the faster 110s that we got going, you know, it'll be better long term. Man, this rain sucks. Well, whatever. We'll keep this section the same. We'll turn that to dirt. Might have mentioned it before, but you can see our crawler track, we made some changes. So the path will go up here, so maybe we'll get some of that going today. And then we're gonna go as we go. Added some more down there. You know, path down that way. And you can see our dinos are still down there. We got a trail going there. We're working it all, guys. And there's also a 1-year anniversary of breaking ground for this. So Mama's house, and that's what this is all about. Sorry about this jitter, and it must be the rain's making it do that. But you see where we're at. Tomorrow we should be getting some siding on, so our 1-year anniversary is also where we get a lot of the finishing touches and start going. So yeah, it's been a journey. Think about that, a year ago. Whew. Everything's changed. Our family's changed, our life has changed, and we got this cool ass track. So like and subscribe, guys. I think we're gonna call it the REIT Place Raceway. We'll paint that on that sign down there. We'll see where it goes. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I see you. Thanks for everything. Peace.